Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today I want to show you how to get this look. So if you want to know, just keep on watching. First, I want to use eyebrow and I use gel eyebrow. I make a shape based on my real eyebrow. I fill it and make it longer. And done. Next, I use concealer from Mizu to clean up my underbrow and also for base eyeshadow. I blend it just with my finger. Next, eyeshadow from Focallure. First, I use white as base, and then orange to all the eyelid. And red to the outer corner. By the way guys, I like makeup when I in first grade junior high school and depending about third grade junior high school. I always watch makeup tutorial on YouTube and tried it. Luckily, my mom supporting me to explore this and she also bought me makeup. And I feel that this is my passion. Next, I use shimmer shadow from inner corner to the middle. Next, eyeliner. I make a simple liner. I'm not due to hire. Mascara. I pinch my lashes first and doing my mascara. Now is face part. I use foundation from Makeover. Blend it to all of your face. And then concealer I use from Wardah. Use it to the highlight spot and red spot. And I blend it. Next, contour to make shape of my face. I use it on my cheek and my nose. Next, blush on. And last, lips. I use Febriana colors in the shade 1 and 5. So this is the final look. Hope you guys like it, and bye!